Hey guys, it's Mr. B here again. Thank you for checking out my brand new PowerPoint game. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day over there. It's almost Halloween, so I decided to make this Halloween theme PowerPoint game for you guys to use. This one is called Pumpkin Smash, Jack Skellington's Pumpkin Smash, and you can grab this free template in the description box below this video. I also recommend installing the font that's used for this game so that your game will look like mine. We're almost reaching 5,000 guys, so I hope you guys can share, like, and comment and get this video out there. Also, I want to say a big, huge thank you to all of the new subscribers, viewers, and contributors. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. So let's take a look at this PowerPoint game. So on the main menu screen here, we have 3 buttons, and I'll explain to you how they work, and we'll go over each one of them together. So we have here in the orange the start button. So clicking on this will take you straight to the main game, and in the purple we have the rules, and we'll go over that together. And down here in the green is the support projects button. You can click on this and support the project through here as well. So let's click on the purple rules here, and let's take a look at the rules. So this is just one way on how you can play the game, but you can play it however way you want. So here we have the rules. You can read through this later as well. Here, number 1, you can play this one-on-one or make 2 groups. You click on Jack-o'-lantern for the QA. And then you click on the question to reveal the answer when the question pops up, and then you click on the answer to remove it from the screen. When a student answers correctly, they can choose a jack-o'-lantern to fling at the other opponent. And if they pick the right jack-o'-lantern, they might do some damage. If they answer wrong, just skip their turn. And when a player runs out of hearts, the game is over, or whoever gets the most heart wins. Last person or team with the most heart wins. All right, so this is just one way of playing the game, but you can play this however way you want, with using whatever grammar or vocabulary you want. And if you are a parent, this might be good for your child to review. So let's go back here to the main menu, and let's click on the Start Game button right here. All right, so let's click on that, and let's see what the game looks like. All right, here we are at the main game board. We have 2 teams here. We got the blue Oogie Boogie and the green Oogie Boogie here, and you can change the picture of the character, and I'll show you how to do that later. On the left here we have 1, 2, 3, so they can choose from any of these jack-o'-lantern. And up here we have the life bar, the HP, the health, and every time you guess right on a jack-o'-lantern, it can deal some damage to the other team. Here in the middle here is the QA button, Jack's jack-o'-lantern or Jack's pumpkin. You're clicking on that will bring up the question. Here's question 1, and you can edit the question later as well. And clicking anywhere on here will reveal the answer. So go ahead and click on that, and that will reveal the answer. So this is answer 1. It goes with question 1. And clicking on it again will remove it from the screen. Now they can choose a jack-o'-lantern to throw at their opponent. Again, you deal some damage, so they lose life here. So click on the jack-o'-lantern again, and that will bring up the question. This is question 2 now, and you click anywhere here to bring up the answer, and this is answer 2. So click on it again, and now you can choose a jack-o'-lantern. Awesome. All right, now the other team lose a heart. Okay, so we can repeat the process again by clicking on the jack-o'-lantern, clicking on the QA here, and then choose a jack-o'-lantern from here. Super. All right, again, you dealt some damage, so they lose life. and you can do the same process here. So I think you get the idea. So you click on the jack-o'-lantern and then answer the question, and then you can choose a jack-o'-lantern to throw at the other opponent. All right, so just now we're down a few hearts here. So let's try a few more here just to show you guys. So you can click on any jack-o'-lantern you want. Awesome. I'll show you guys how to edit this template and show you how to add more QA to this slide here. So I hope you guys can watch this video until the end to learn how to do that as well. All right, so you get the idea, right? You click on the jack-o'-lantern here, down there, and you get the QA. And then if they guess the answer correctly, they can choose a jack-o'-lantern to throw at their opponent. And I'll show you how to change the image as well, so you can enjoy this with your students or with your class. So let's get out of here. And so you see here on the main game, it says it's plus 30 QA. So there's only 30 question and answer. But to add more question and answer, you can take a look at the teacher's note down here on how to do that. Or you can watch this video and I'll show you how to do that as well. So we'll scroll down to slide 5 here. It says extra stuff for edit. Click on that. And you have here, you have the extra heart if you want to add more life. You just copy the whole thing like this. Right click and copy. And then just paste it onto the main game. And then you can go into the animation pane and check out how I add the hearts in to animate it. So it's already done already. You just have to copy, paste, and then move the animation to one of the jack-o'-lantern. So here we have the QA. So we want to copy this, and we want to copy the trigger button here, and we want to copy the answer. So copy that. And then we want to go back to slide 2. So click on slide 2 after we copy that. And then we just want to paste it in there, and then just drag it until it aligns correctly, until you're happy. All right, and then you open your control pane. Sorry, selection pane. So open the selection pane, and you see it says Q1, A1, and QA1 button. If you scroll down to here, there's only 30 Q&A, 30 question and 30 answers. So we want to make question and answer 31. So there's 30, we want to make 31. So we'll change this to 31 and answer 31. And we want to change this as well. So we'll call this answer 31, question 31, and QA button 31. All right. And once you're done editing it, you can click on the play button to see what it looks like. All right, here we have the trigger button here. So click on that, and there you go. It loaded question 31, and click on here, and it'll load answer 31. Now all we have to do is arrange it. So that question and answer 31 is behind, so that it goes to the back rather in the front. So to do that, before that, let's make this trigger button invisible. So right click on it to make sure you get the right button. Right click, go down to format shape here, and you want to go to format shape and choose this paint bucket here. Choose fill and just make it transparent to 100. Change the transparency to 100, and now we can drag these three down, and we want to put QA under QA 30. So where is it? Right there. We want to drag it right there, and then the QA 31 button, we want to drag it down as well. So let's put it below QA 30, QA button 30 here. All right, now everything is in the right order. Awesome. Now if you want to change the picture here to like a teacher or a student to make it more interesting, Just click on the character here. Oops, let me just close this down. And just click on any of the character here. I'm just going to use my picture as an example. You can put a student here or a character or anything you want. It's really up to you. So we go to change picture, and you want to go to from a file. So change picture and then from a file. So go ahead and click that, and then just choose an image to insert. I'll just choose my picture here. All right, who's that guy? All right, well, it's not the best picture, but it'll do as for an example. All right, so let's take a look at it. So here I have my picture inserted in. All right, there you go. And now we click on the Jack's Jack-o'-lantern for the QA. And then if they answer correctly, they can choose a jack-o'-lantern to hurled at MrBoverC. All right, so let's try a few more here. As I mentioned, you could put whatever picture you want in here. You could put your picture. You could put the student's picture. You could put a character in here. I think they will enjoy that a lot if you do that. And again, you can use this template however way you want, with whatever grammar or phrase or vocabulary you want to use with your student as well. Awesome. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to write that down in the comment section below, and I'll definitely take a look at that. If you guys want to support more projects like this, you can click on one of the coffee mugs here, and you can help this channel this way as well. And I'll also include a link in the description so that you guys can support this channel even further. I hope you guys enjoy this brand new Halloween PowerPoint game. And if you find my materials useful, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you're new to this channel and you would like to get more materials like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will get the latest materials when I put them up on this channel. Again, I just want to say a big, huge thank you to each and every one of you, to my viewers, subscribers, and contributors. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. Thank you for watching my video today. Hope you have fun with this brand new PowerPoint game. As always, I want to wish you the best of luck in your classes.